This is ATC's Solo Driver, an innovative and improved method for installing transmission structure foundations with a vibratory hammer. Solo Driver is 3 times faster than traditional vibratory methods and more than 4 times faster than direct bury. Solo Driver uses just one excavator to lift, grip, and drive the foundation into the ground. Only 2 to 3 crew members are needed, an excavator operator and 1 or 2 spotters. This method is safe. A safety interlock on the jaws prevents the pole from dropping, even if power to the hammer is lost. Solo Driver is also environmentally superior. With lighter equipment, there's less ground disturbance and there isn't any soil displacement. ATC has tested the Solo Driver on numerous projects and has installed hundreds of foundations. The results are exceptional. ATC is able to install up to 20 or more foundations per day with Solo Driver. ATC's Solo Driver, pioneering a more efficient and economical way to install foundations.